Okay, part 2. What if, sir, ang hinahanap is variable cost? So, tingnan natin natin yung problem. So, parang same lang sila. So, kuha tayo, number 1. Now, we have here, ABC has a sales of 2 million. So, meron tayong 2,500,000 and a fixed cost. So, hindi given yung variable cost. Fixed cost, contribution margin, fixed cost of 600,000, and the relationship was 0.4. Okay, and net income hindi natin alam. So take note, meron tayong 0.4 na given. Okay, so paano natin yung gagawin? Ganito lang po yan. Now, kung 0.4 to, this is 0.6 and this is 1. So, kung percentage, it is 100%. This is 60%. Okay, ayusin natin. So, this is 100%. Probably, this is 60% and this is 40%. Ngayon, di ba pag kukuha tayo ng ratio, dinidivide natin yung CM sa 0.4 para makuha yung 2,500,000. Okay, tama. So, let's CM be X. X divide 0.4 is equal to 2,500,000. Sir, ano pong gagawin natin yan? Okay, di ba pag ganyan, it's either is i-reciprocate natin or i-divide natin yung ilipat natin yung 0.4 sa kabila. Tama? So, ganito lang po yan lang. Kung x is equal to 0.4 equal to 2,500,000, gagawin natin tong 1 itself, no? So, multiply both side by 0.4. So, we get here, cancel natin to. Tama? Kinakancel diba to sa math? Baka nakalimutan nyo na yung test sa math now. So, we have here 0.4 divide times 0.4 para makancel out. So, we will write down x. So, we have here, oh no! Ayaw na, sumulat. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry for interruption. So, we have here x is equal to 0.4 times 0.4 times 2,500,000 which equal to 1 million. Diba? So, 1 million po ito. Ngayon, nakuha na natin yung 1 million. Ang tanong kaso, ilan yung variable cost? Okay. Pwede natin gawin ito. Ilan yung kailangan nating i-minus sa 1 million para, ilan ang kailangan nating i-minus sa 2,500,000 para mag 1 million? O, di ba 1.5 million? So, that is, ganun lang kadali, no? So, ilan ang kailangan nating i-minus dito para makuha yung 1 million? So, that is 1,500,000. Kung ika-calculator po natin yan, 1 million pa rin yung lalabas. 2,500,000 minus 1 million. So, that is minus 1.5 m. That is 1 million. So, another way around of solving this problem is we just need to multiply 0.6 to 2,500,000. 2,500,000 times 0.6. So, that is also equal to 1.5. Okay? First step, pwede ito. No? Pwede ito. Itong gawin. Or pwede din ito. Yung 0.6 lang, i-times lang natin dito. Makukuha agad natin yung variable cost. So, kung ang tanong is net income, 1 million minus 600,000, that is 0. Oh no, that is 400,000. Sorry, lutang. Okay, so that is 400,000. Pero ang sagot natin is 1,500,000 pesos. Kasi yun ang tinatanong sa problem. What is the variable cost?